years in the making, and the Thompson Prison Facility is now hiring. It's the first step in getting the federal prison up and running.
Now the Department of Justice is making more progress tonight. News 8's Jonathan Katz joins us now to explain why. Good evening, Jonathan.
Good evening, Jason and Denise. U.S. Senator Dick Durbin told us today that the Federal Bureau of Prisons has started hiring. Now, the Bureau posted even more jobs today as well, and now people are wondering when the prison will start hiring even more.
Well, when's it going to open? When are we going to get the job?
The Thompson Correctional Center is not open for business.
People can go and apply for those jobs.
But State Senator Mike Jacobs says the Bureau of Prisons is making progress. Just on Thursday, usajobs.gov posted 3 separate openings. The Correctional Center needs an electronics technician, a locksmith, also an air conditioning supervisor, besides all those security guards.
People need to understand they're not only looking for guards, they're looking for all kinds of positions.
The Thompson Correctional Center is supposed to employ about 1,100 people.
But these are good paying jobs.
U.S. Senator Dick Durbin heard about the job postings Thursday. The starting salary for the technician and locksmith is around $55,000 a year. But applicants must be 36 years and younger.
These are professional jobs, important jobs in corrections and law enforcement, and there will be good compensation.
Thompson, Illinois is going to be the hub of activity. Everybody's going to want to move to Thompson, right?
Durbin reminded his Democratic supporters inside the Moline Vikings Club about the Thompson prison. It's one thing they can tout doing before the general election, but now the Bureau of Prisons takes control. That allows them to hire all of the workers. And there is still no word on when the Correctional Center will open. Durbin, by the way, though, saying that the feds will create about 800 of those 1,100 total new jobs. That website, though, again, usajobs.gov. And, of course, we posted a link to that on our own website, WQAD.com. Jason?